like to place on record a statement that I think should be given as an information, not only here, but also to our counterparts. Because it has come to my attention that several members of the House of Representatives, and they have called my political officer, especially district representatives. They are anxious in saying that the budget for their districts are being slashed here in the Senate, specifically by Senator Lacson and myself. This is unfounded. We have not touched the budget of the districts. Our finance chairman can confirm this. I suggest that to our counterparts, and asking that you discuss your apprehensions with your chairman of appropriations. Tanungin niyo, because there's nothing happening here. Wala kaming ini-slash or ginagalaw sa mga districts ng GAB. As a matter of fact, we have not touched anything yet. This is all period of interpellation. So, yung mga sinasabing kami ni Senator Lacson, kinat namin lahat yung mga budget daw nila at yung ano nila, ayan po yung maliwanag na black propaganda po yan. Just for the record. Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, yeah, and it would be good that our chairperson, Senator Gatchalian, could come down from his office and then at least confirm the statement of the Senate President that there is no truth to that news.
He can confirm that. In fact, I asked him earlier, is that possible? And he said, it's not possible, and we have not done such a slashing that they are talking about.